Big moves are coming to the Ignition Index and our Pockets to Profit series. In today's video, we'll be going over some big, important updates on this portfolio here, some big investments, and let me tell you, we're in a good spot. So if you are excited for today's video, as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those bell notifications for all future uploads. As you will see, the Ignition Index we have right here are these 13 companies, and we've had a roller coaster of a year so far. But what we do with this challenge, in case you're not familiar and this is your first time watching the video, the idea behind it is to take all the side hustle money that I make from my side hustles that are not my main source of income. I am an educator, but I'm tutoring on the sides a lot. I have an extra class that I'm teaching as well, which is extra money as well. So we made in side hustle money over $800, and that money got put right into the Ignition Index. And some big purchases were made here, and let me tell you why we are in a good spot in today's video. So we're taking a look at our portfolio. The first company that we went out and bought more of was actually a little bit of a spoiler alert for you. When I did a cover call video, I bought more shares of REKR Systems. So as you will see, we bought, what is it, $78.80 right here. And the point of this video here that I made the other day, which was on cover calls, was I bought 100 shares at 78 cents, and then I sold a cover call at $1. So that way, those 100 shares I just bought could get sold off at $1, and I could make some passive income on the way. So we're going to collect $6 in premium there. Nothing crazy, I know, but still some, every dollar is going to help in this series here. So we got some more shares of REKR Systems, and right now our average cost is $1.23. So we're going to go over here, we're going to plug in the number, paste just the value, and our new average cost is $1.23. We're still down on this portfolio section here, down 39%, almost 40% here, but we collected $6, which is absolutely amazing. The next stock that we went out and bought more of in this case was actually Richtech Robotics. Now, the reason why I bought Richtech Robotics yesterday was, as you will see, allowed me to get over 100 shares, so that way I'm able to now sell a cover call against it as well. So again, we're starting to now sell cover calls to get some passive income, hopefully sell our shares off here, and even if I had to sell my shares at $2.50, again, I'm losing 9 cents there, or $9, I got paid $8 back here. Actually, I got paid $9, so I'd basically be about break even if I really wanted to. But, I just wanted to get a little bit of passive income going here on these kind of trades here. So as you will see, we went out and bought, where is it down here? Go to show more. And we went out and bought $65 to give us 31 more shares April 8th. And that allows us to get to the 100 shares that I was looking for to then sell some covered calls against it. So now we've got 101 shares now. And the average cost is $2.59. So we're going to go ahead and paste that in there. And then the average cost is now $2.59. Bring our average, bring our percent loss down to 23%. Again, there's some big losses in this portfolio. Do not get me wrong. I completely understand. But it's all in part of the long-term investment strategy that we're looking at right here. The next stock that I went out and purchased more of was BigBear.ai, ticker symbol BBAI. And as you will see here, we also went out and bought 100 shares total now. At an average cost now is $3.75. Why? So I can now I can sell a covered call, get a little bit of passive income as we continue to move forward in this series here. Selling it off at $4 is great because right now I'm at $3.75. So it allowed me to sell my shares at a profit if I need to, which is absolutely amazing for me. And I'm super happy about that as a result of it. So as you will see down here, we went out and we bought 37 shares, $133 for that one total, which is absolutely amazing. And now we're able to start selling some cover calls, get some passive income against it as well. So now we're going to start selling some cover calls on these positions here, hopefully at obviously above our break-even price. So above $3.75, we sold one for $4, makes our life a little bit better. So $3.75. And again, little bit of a bigger portfolio allocation, 17% here, 10% Richtech, 10% REKR Systems here. So again, we're starting to get a little bit of this imbalance here, which I'm not the biggest fan of in this case here, but it's all part of the course. Now, the other one we went out and bought more of was also Serve Robotics as well. We bought more shares, not for cover calls worthy. We don't have that. We only have 29 shares now, but an average cost of $9.42. We went out and bought more shares. Again, as you can see, $133 worth, 15.88 shares there, which is absolutely amazing. So we're going to take our average shares here. We're going to go to Serve Robotics and then go to paste the value. And my average cost now is $9.42, which comes down from here. It's going to take my percent loss from 24% down to 14%, which again, to me, is an absolutely amazing thing to have because that allows us to reduce our average cost. That way, once Serve goes over 942, great, we're back in the profits. It's absolutely amazing. And again, hopefully going to be able to collect some passive income on cover calls here at some point as well. So we've got Serve Robotics, we got BigBear.ai, we got Richtech, we've got REKR Systems, and the last, but certainly not least, the biggest one, the biggest purchase we had, ACHR Aviation. Why was it a big purchase? Well, I actually was able to buy up to a 100 shares of ACHR Aviation. So as you can see, our average cost is now $5.94, and we were able to then go ahead and sell a cover call here. The cover call was worth $20 here, so we got paid out $20 as a result there. Big purchase that came through here. It was $450. So it's going to move the percentages a lot in this case. Hopefully they get a little bit more balanced in this case here. These are numbers I'm updating in real time, so I don't know if they are going to be or not, but we bought $450 ACHR Aviation to give us 100 shares to now sell some cover calls against. As you'll see, I sold a cover call at $650 right here. Right now we're at $594, so we'll collect some passive income as we wait for ACHR to move in our direction. As you'll see, we're going to paste in our value there, which is absolutely amazing. Huge move we have there. $594 is my average cost. Taking us down from 25% down, now down to 10%, which again is a huge move for us to have as a result. And that did adjust the numbers a lot. That put, 20% of the allocation into ACHR Aviation, as you'll see right here in our nice little pie chart we have made here for this series. So big holdings we have, and again, these are ones I don't mind having the bigger holdings with. ACHR Aviation at 22% is definitely going to change by next week when we get more money coming in. Big Bear being higher, again, is cybersecurity, defense, AI, like it. My next one that I probably will be buying up more of is going to be something like into Ondas. Okay, I like Ondas, I like the drone technology there, so I might take a lot of money and buy up some more Ondas here. Ondas is at $9 right now. I only have 7 shares. So I'm not going to be able to get 100 shares worth of Ondas probably in the next video, but being able to build up that share allocation is absolutely amazing. And what you will be happy to see as well, which I'm happy to start seeing this, we're obviously down 14%, which, in retrospect to very speculative companies that we have here, being down 14% to me, I'm not too phased by because it could have been a lot worse, and it has been a lot worse. APLD were down about 1% after their earnings came out. The earnings were actually really good, very strong earnings. But the market still sold it off. Redwire, we're up 17%. Ondas, we're up 0.66. Oscar, we're up 11%, which is absolutely amazing. We're down about 7% on Xpeng. We're down about 7% on Ouster. So the big heavy hitters that were down a lot is literally just Richtech and REKR Systems right here. Again, small cap companies, ones that don't have, that have a lot more volatility to it are going to be the ones impacted the most. As you will see, they are right here. But the nice thing is, again, we are down $403, but what you will notice is I've now added in a covered call income calculator over here on the side here. So every time I'm going to be collecting more cover call income, I'm going to be adding more to this section here. So I've now collected, with selling all those cover calls there, $46 of passive income right now. So even though we're down $403, I'm actually collecting $46. I'm only down about $360-ish here in this case. So that to me is very awesome to see. And these cover calls, I want everybody to understand what these cover calls are for. Okay. These cover calls, this big spike down here, I hate it when I do leap options. As you'll see, my super micro leap option down here is down over $100, which is just because of the bid-ask spread, and the fail is crazy. But for all these cover calls here, the BigBear.ai one right here, that one is a short-term one there. The ACHR one is about a month out here. That's some good passive income there. Richtech about a month out here. REKR about a little over a month out here. These ones right here are more or less right before we hit the second earnings quarter coming up. For example, BigBear.ai has their earnings, I believe, at the end of April. So if we go to the actual stock right here, excuse me, as we go to the stock down here, their earnings are expected at the end of April, April 30th, which is why the cover call I sold right here is for a week beforehand. Why would I do that? The reason why I'm doing something like this is because it allows me to have this position close out, whether I get assigned and have to sell the shares off or not. But what it's going to do is it's going to allow me to, if Big Bear doesn't go to $4 and this expires worthless, then I could sell a cover call with a higher strike price for a little bit more premium because obviously, as we know, with earnings, you get big moves. So the hope is going to be that we can sell some cover calls right before earnings for BigBear.ai, for ACHR Aviation. ACHR Aviation's earnings are May 11th. So as you will see, I sold a call option for May 8th. Makes sense. Trying to get some passive income, but not forget that earnings are coming up for quarter two. Well, quarter one earnings we're in quarter two now, but it's for quarter one earnings that you're going to see. So that's just something to kind of keep in mind about when I'm selling these kind of shares here, because it's really helpful to now when this expires, if I sell my shares at $6.50, again, that's very good profit would have made here because my average is $5.94. I mean, I would have made, $56 there, which is absolutely amazing, and been able to use that money to then buy more shares, whatever the case may be. Now I can sell some cash puts if I need to. So the next phase for the Ignition Index is not only are we collecting passive income, but let's say any of these cover calls actually get assigned and I have to sell my shares off. The next phase is going to be to cash secure puts. Use that cash, sell cash secure puts. Use the cash secure puts. And then just wheel cycle all these 13 stocks here until I find stocks I don't really like. Then I kind of phase them out probably. But for right now, that's kind of what the logic is for me in this portfolio. So that is it for today's video. Again, huge news here. We are now able to start selling some cover calls on some major positions. I'm very, very excited about it. We made $46 so far, hopefully in passive income, and we're going to hopefully be able to generate more and more as time goes on. If you made this far in the video, as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications as per usual. And again, feel free to check out the Fridge Financials memberships if you'd like to support the Fridge Financials journey in any way, shape, or form, or just watch more videos so that way I get the watch time because I need watch time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're making money in the market in some way, shape, or form. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.